Brion mantis is a formidable, human-sized insectoid predator, blending biological efficiency with evolutionary adaptations. The key physical traits that are includes in a Brion mantis are exoskeleton, a segmented, chitinous armor with a mottled green-brown coloration, enabling seamless camouflage in forested environments. Head. It has a triangular-shaped head with hyper-developed compound eyes, providing 360-degree vision and night vision capabilities. 2 feathery antennae detect chemical signals and vibrations. Forelimbs. The forelimbs of Brion mantis are serrated, raptorial forelegs, like scythes, capable of striking at blinding speeds. Body. Its body is streamlined, elongated thorax and abdomen, with translucent wings folded beneath a protective carapace